I'm gonna be honest. His eyes are glowing. I don't know if you saw that.
Whoa, that is horrifying.
Well, you're the YouTuber and it's Team YouTube.
I lost my gun. One jump down.
Dude, I don't know if you've noticed you're down to like less than half of your army. You're not doing anything.
That's the point of the army.
No, dude. They're relying on you. How's the health looking, Cookie?
Not too bad. I'm on 9 hearts.
It's your army's health that's looking pretty bad right now.
Boys, we killed the skeleton, I think. Oh yeah, let's go, army. Watch out for the webs. Oh, he's we got this. It's getting close. It's getting close. I have 2 more rounds.
Lock in, dude.
I'm going in.
Oh my gosh, he's down to like 5 army members.
I have 5 left. Okay.
Oh.
Come on, bro. You got this.
Watch out! He's died. It's YouTube.